The presence of state is required. Who is for the state?
Milord, we have served them, Milord. Advance notice has been given.
It was 2 days
No,
back.
no, in this way, in this way, yeah, আপনি এটা ইয়ে
Yeah.
করলে
My lord, is it the case of that Panoli, madam?
They are appearing, my lords.
Yes, you are for the state.
Yes, I am appearing for
Bandyopadhyay is
this.
appearing for the state, my lord.
Yes, my lord, just 15-20 minutes back it has been served, and we have
Yes.
very difficult, my lord, to argue a case without getting myself ready to argue the case is very difficult. And instead, my lord, let him hear already. As she was already arrested, she was produced. The court has rejected the bail, and the matter has been on 13th June. Matter has been fixed by the competent criminal court.
My lord, it is our petition. Let us at least start. My
You
friend
have,
is taking an
no,
objection.
Mr. Banerjee is claiming that you only 15 minutes ago you have served the.
No. That is not correct.
For yesterday,
You have taken the leave at 11 o'clock. How
It
can
is
it
there.
be?
It is
Well,
there.
he had taken the leave at 11 o'clock.
No,
leave was
leave was granted by the honorable.
Sunday, last Sunday.
No.
Bolo, bolo.
No, Honorable Chief Justice have granted them leave to move the vacation bench today. I have been told.
Yes.
All right, Milord, let them move. I will make my submissions. But kindly consider that we are not appropriately
Today it
ready.
has been served.
This is not done. When it has been served,
No,
not
no,
everything.
correct. I mean,
You are only correct. Not correct. You are only correct.
Okay, Mr.
What is
I am in
this?
charge of the
Sir, I
office.
am making the
I'm
submission.
led by
You are
Mr.
not
Bandyopadhyay
correct.
in this matter.
Are
I'm in
you
charge of the
are
office.
you coming for
Today,
the
Milord,
heaven?
after coming to the court, I came to learn that this matter has been moved today and leave has been taken from your. This matter has been moved today and leave has been taken from your lordship. My lord, I don't.
No. Leave has been taken
That's
by
right.
the,
I have heard. But so far as
from
the
the Honorable the Chief Justice. Honorable the Chief Justice, it has been mentioned in the year that leave
Morning,
has.
that's all right. My lordship, can you proceed with the matter? I will make my submission.
Mr. Banerjee is saying, asking the court to
Proceed.
proceed.
We will make the submission, but by my lord,
led
all
by
the
Mr.
case laws are
Bandyopadhyay.
not with me. I
Whatever
will
you
tell.
Okay, what's the matter?
Yeah, please, my lords.
Acha, what's the problem?
My lord,
Why you are so
allegedly on 7th of May,
Yes.
as a student, when the Operation Sindoor started between India and Pakistan, there was on social media a war of words, allegedly by various people, my lords, across the border. In one of the rants, it is alleged that while replying that we are delusional, there is no proof why we are fighting Pakistan, why we are blaming Pakistan. So this girl allegedly had a post in reply to that, where it is alleged that she has said something beyond replying that we are not children of Mahatma and all. She is alleged to have said that you must be delusional.
You must.
Your Nabi must be delusional when you are talking. Delusional. My lord, there is nothing otherwise alleged. Please see the FIR, and we'll start by the, my lords, how they go about it, my lords. Please see the FIR, and that FIR is on page, my lords, 18. Does it disclose an offense? That is the issue, my lords. My lord, the complaint is on page 19, and I'll read it. Two officers in charge, Garden Reach Police Station. Subject: demand to register FIR against one resident of Kolkata named Sharmishta Panoli under appropriate section for hurting religious sentiments of Muslim community around the country by insulting Holy Prophet of Islam in a very abusive manner. Respected sir, this letter is to draw your attention that one lady named Sharmishta Panoli, resident of Kolkata, likely from Urbana NRI Complex, Kolkata, and pursuing law from Symbiosis School of Law, Pune, has made blasphemous comment on the Prophet of Islam in a very abusive manner. This kind of act brings disharmony, unjust, unrest in the society, and as a resident of Kolkata city, we will not tolerate such kind of blasphemy against our Prophet in our city. We demand to register FIR, action against her under appropriate section for hurting religious sentiments of Muslim community around the country by publishing blasphemous content against the Prophet of Islam on X, formerly Twitter, and on Instagram, which is being viral on social media around 4 p.m. 14/5/2025. We are attaching the link for the video in which one lady, Sharmishta Panoli, has blasphemically commented on Prophet of Islam with a dirty mouth in which she abuses the Holy Prophet and try to bring disharmony, unrest, and communal dispute around the country. Thus, we demand strict action against such hate monger as soon as possible from Kolkata police to maintain peace and harmony in our city, around the country. Such kind of blasphemy are completely intolerable by Muslims, and we will not rest until strict action has been taken against such hate monger. Hope Kolkata police will do their best to bring justice and maintain peace. My lord, I ask a question to myself. Where is that content which says, they are saying, I made blasphemous comments? What is that? Today, as we read this, it does not disclose a cognizable offense which they have registered. Now, please see, this is registered on 15/5, and that is important. 15th of May, this FIR has been registered. On 17th of May, they take warrants of arrest against me, my lords. Warrants of arrest has been taken, my lords, saying that I am not available in my house, and because this is punishable with 3 years at best. So they say they can't arrest. They have to give notice
35B.
under 35B, erstwhile 41A. But instead of that, they say we went there and they were not there. They're absconding, their phones are switched off, and therefore obtain the warrant of arrest. Now, my lord, there are two things. Parallelly, on 15th, I am before the police station with my complaint saying that I am under acute threat. I am also seeking an apology for whatever was sent. That post was taken off on the 8th May itself, after making it on 7th night. The question today is, my lords, twofold. The law gives me protection, and that protection is, first, you have to register a case only if it, my lords, the contents of the complaint, my lords, show commission of a cognizable offense. This FIR does not have any content. So now I am left with something called a video, a link. My lord, that is why a provision of inquiry is there. First of all, you have to see the link as it is. If it provides that there is, then you will, my lord, ask whether it is. Two questions will be asked. Is it tempered? Is it original? And how it is? Nothing has been done. And warrant of arrest has been obtained. On 15th, 16th, 17th, there is a crowd in front of my house. There is a threat, and I've attached, my lords, right from sexually explicit, my lords, photographs of my daughter, of this girl. Also, my lords, the threat of beheading her, the threats of rape, all they were there. My house was found to be, my lord, attached with this thing that I live here. I study in such and such place. This is my father. My father's photograph is also there. So, my lords, we go to the police station on 15th, 16th, 17th, all 3 days. We are asking for protection and security. And, my lords, when it is not given till 19th, we are every day going to the police station. My father is going to the police station every day. And on 19th, when there was a crowd in front of my house at 10 o'clock in the night, my lords, that is the time, my lords, the family decides that now a crowd is assembling, the threat perception is increasing now because it has reached the doorstep. My lords, my father takes the family to Delhi, my lords, Gurugram, the Gurgaon, my lords, earlier. And they are there for some time till the time the threat perception is answered. My lord, because threat perception is continuing. So the phones were switched off because dirty messages, threats are time and again coming. there was a scare. So the question is, my lords, please see what needs to be done at that time. They have to show to the court while taking arrest why I was not there. My phones were available on 17th. It could be ascertained. I am there in my house. It can be ascertained. I left this place on 20th. The warrant of arrest was obtained on this. So my lord will have to see two things. Whether the registration of the case was proper, number one. Whether my warrant of arrest was taken as per law, disclosing my lord's facts, otherwise which are right. What is the offense against me? Am I a terrorist? Why are they witch hunting? They go all over the country, my lord. They raid everywhere. I did not know. Now I'm coming to know that they have been raiding after. Whereas I'm here till 20th. So they go, my lord, arrest me by using that technical surveillance. They can do that everywhere. But not one action has been taken on my complaints, on security, on my threat perception, on those, my lord, grave threats which are offense beyond 7 years. Then, my lord, the complainant, I will show that, my lord. I'm giving a summary.
We are in a hearing stage or motion stage in some other cases. I don't understand.
Now, what do you want
I want,
from
my
this
lord,
court?
on my three things, my lord. One,
Yes.
they should be, this should be quashed. My arrest should be declared in a writ petition as illegal, and I should be granted bail forthwith without any conditions, my lords. That is what
You are in custody for 2 days.
my lords, I'm in custody. Even if I'm in custody for 1 hour, the custody itself is illegal, and my lords will have to protect me. And that is
They
what
have arrested in connection with a case.
my lord. But then case is about 3
They
years.
are arrested in connection with a case. Yes, arrest without in connection with a case is illegal.
Very well. And the
Ah,
registration
You
is
at best can say that they have not issued any notice under 35(3) now. 35B. 35B earlier 41A.
Yes, my lord.
They have not issued any notice.
I have not received, my lords. What they do is, my lords, my lord, they obtain a warrant of arrest saying we served these notices, and it is only during the arguments we come to know.
Yeah, Mr. Banerjee will be able to produce the CD or anything.
I'm led by Mr. Bandyopadhyay in this matter. He's
Mr.
on that
Banerjee,
term.
Lord, CD is not available. Possibly, just let me tell me your lords, the case is this. Lord, this is a case
If I can complete, or I can
under
complete
section
later on.
196. No. This continuing is not. It's not a hearing. This is not a case
No,
under
I am
section
seeking my
196.
lord's permission.
My
I'm
lord,
not seeking my
yes,
friend.
my lord has asked me
Whether I
to.
have to
My
do
lord has asked me. What
Very
is
well.
this? My lord has asked me. Don't show
No,
this
no.
posture.
No.
Mr.
Why I am
Counsel,
saying
don't show this
that
posture.
court is to look into the material
may
which
grant
have been
me-
collected
So
by
can-
the investigating authorities so far,
So as it
and
is,
on the basis of such.
my lord, as
But the state
My-
is not in a position to produce the same.
so my lord, I am seeking exactly that, and that is, I am before my lord. My lord is to grant me protection. The Supreme Court, in a number of cases, and I have brought the compilation. In all these similar circumstances, they say on the first date, even if state is not there, they say grant ad interim bail, and then we can continue. I'm only seeking an interim bail. I can't be put into custody as a student, my lords. A girl student with all those, my lords, in that kind of circumstances, she is my lord, she has a ADHD problem,
As yet,
attention deficit, my lord. She gets impulsive. She gets, my lords. There's a problem. And staying in jail is creating a problem, my lords, for her. She has a kidney, my lord, disease she's carrying. All I'm trying to say is,
yes, Mr.
I'm only seeking.
Madam, can I submit?
Yes. Yes.
I'm not running away.
Yes.
Can I
Yes,
submit?
Mr.
My lord?
Bandyopadhyay.
My lord, kindly see a case was initiated under section 196, subsection 1A,
Yes.
then 299,
Yes.
352,
Yes.
353, 1C,
Yes.
because of her ex-handle posting with a video. My lord, hurting the religious faith. Then, when this complaint has been lodged, my lord, it discloses a cognizable offense. FIR discloses itself is a cognizable offense. When this offense, my lord, it was done, notice was sought to be served under section 353 BNSS 2023 and 94 BNSS was notice served. Then section 94, she was called upon the steps were made for service. Then, my lord, with the assistance of the Anandapur police station case, and on both the 2 days, including 21st May 2025, however, the accused person or any of our family members could not be found there, and the flat was under lock and key, so the notice could not be served. Attempts were made. Then the my lord, warrant was issued by the appropriate magistrate. My lord, they whole family, the lady fled away. She was arrested from the Gurugram. She was produced before the appropriate magistrate. Transit remand was given for 3 days. Then, my lord, she was produced before the magistrate. Bail petition was moved and was rejected
By the magistrate.
by the magistrate. Now, the my lord, if they only ask for FIR, setting aside, etc., that is a subject to hearing. We have to file affidavit. We have to tell this is
Now,
what this.
whether there is no requirement, any requirement to keep this student in custody any further.
Yes, my lord, this has been. Who will decide it? When once a matter is set in motion in the criminal court, how they can come into the writ court? They could have filed an application, bail application. How they can come into the writ court?
And how many cases has been registered against him? You are saying
I don't
Anandapur
know
case.
exactly. We
I
have
am
to
saying Garden Ditch case.
and this is it.
Huh?
This is in
And
connection
one
with the
that
garden
is-
ditch.
He was arrested first case. Which was the first case?
Garden reach, my lord.
Garden ditch.
Garden Ditch was first case.
Yes, ma'am.
My lord,
And
all the
how
cases
many
can be.
cases have been registered?
Line by line, same, my lords. Word by
My
word.
lord,
same.
kindly hear. Kindly hear.
My lord is
Yes,
asking
yes.
the state. My learned senior will give answer. But if interruption is in such a way, then my lord, it is very impossible to.
Okay, do one thing. It is vacation bench.
Yes.
You produce the CD and Sajan sir before the on 5th, before the next vacation bench, because of the fact material collected by the
My lord.
investigating
Yeah, at this
authority
initial
is to be-
stage.
is to be
I am only on.
today just. So I am just passing an order
My lords, please.
that this Garden Ditch case, PS case, shall be treated as a principal case,
My lord.
and the other case will
My lord,
not be investigated.
I
Exactly.
want to show something, my lords. My
My lord,
lords
just
cannot
kindly hear me, my
continue
lord. Kindly
with
hear
detention
me.
even for a day, and I will
My
show
lord,
that.
kindly hear me, my lord.
Not
Kindly
even
just
for a
hear me.
day.
My lord, kindly.
That is
Will
the
your
whole
lordship,
essence of law is.
will your lordships kindly
Cannot-
hear me, my lord.
Even for a day.
My learned senior,
Let me
Well,
show
I
you.
want
learned
to-
Why are
senior
you
is.
afraid?
Okay.
But if he's.
My lord,
my lord,
kindly hear me.
Mr. Banerjee, both Mr. Banerjee.
my
my
learned
lord,
senior
why-
is
Why
hearing-
arrest
hearing.
is illegal? Here, learned counsel, why arrest is illegal?
Yes, my lord.
They have not issued notice under section 35B.
My lords, please see.
But Mr. Banerjee has stated that such notice was issued.
Yes.
My lords, can I only
Dispute
say
a question of
something?
fact.
Yes.
Now, whatever inquiry will be done, will be done. 3 things are there, and that is undeniable. Today, the effort is that we will show, only to delay something that is so sacrosanct to me, and that is liberty. It is only to delay my liberty. They are saying we will show, we will do this.
Day after tomorrow,
My
heaven
lord,
will not fall.
why even-
Only 2
My lord,
days.
this girl has suffered in these 2 days so badly. Please understand what she is going through. And I'm showing something, my lord. Please see.
She should have remembered when the external post was made.
Arrest me more.
Lower courter order টা
He
করলাম
should
না
have.
Is it in conformity?
lower
with
courter
the law?
order টা দেবো করলাম না
Yes, yes.
Huh?
Give the,
Not
give the,
after
give the,
this,
lower court-
not
give
even
the
a-
magistrate's order. Please give the magistrate order. Suppose তুইও
order
চাচা না, ও একা
Not
চাচাবে।
matter, my lords, whether
It is
magistrate
warrant,
or
warrant.
support. I am before my lords, and my
suppose
lords,
তুইও চাচা, ওকে একা
my lords
চাচাবে
will
নাকি?
not be guided by a magistrate.
হ্যাঁ,
my learned senior friend but forget not the judicial discipline
judicial discipline.
and they are not the judge.
I understand.
My lord is
Yes.
judge.
My friends don't understand
Yes,
the
we have understand. And
judicial conscience
you
itself.
want to
You are
give
coming from the moon. That is the
jumping
reason
and
why
humping.
you are coming from the moon. That is the reason you understand more than anyone.
What is your good name, please?
I'm DP Singh, my lords.
So it would be better.
So, my lord.
I am asking I am asking, you will not, you will go.
No, my lord.
You have come before the vacation match, okay, we know. I am asking them to treat this a garden reach such and such case such and such would be treated as a
case.
principal case,
I
and no other case they will shall proceed, and state will ensure,
am so obliged. my lord.
state will ensure so that no further FIR is registered on the same set of allegation.
My lord,
Okay,
May-
state
may-
it.
may-
Not, I am not on
may-
that.
may- may I
Okay,
suggest?
and Mr.
Excuse me,
Sen,
sir.
court is want to see the CD
So, my lord,
or the material collected by the state is in investigating
So,
agency of
But
the
my
state,
learned senior
and
friend,
then to
My lord,
file
can I submit?
but
Can
my
I
learned
submit?
senior my lord
My
wants to
lord,
say
can I
something.
submit?
allow me to say
My lord,
something.
your lordship is not
Let me
hearing me.
whatever.
Yes, yes, yes,
No,
yes.
no. Since I am in a virtually, your lordship is not
Yeah.
hearing me, my lord.
Yes,
My unfortunate,
yes, yes.
I am not in a position
I
to
could
sound
have
like
got an occasion to see you.
Lord, can you see?
You have not chosen. You have chosen not to come.
No, you have not given the.
For me.
I
Yes.
am not the privilege. I don't have the privilege to appear before your
Yes,
lordship.
yes.
Now, my lord, kindly see what I am suggesting. Garden Reach Police Station case would be lead case, and all the FIRs will be tagged in this case.
No, that would be considered at the time of final hearing. Now, all the investigation or further proceedings of all case will be stayed,
Excepting Garden Reach.
excepting Garden Reach. Okay, that would be the principal case. All the other case will be stayed, and state will ensure so that no further FIR is registered on the same set of action. And Mr. Sem, let them come with the CD. Let them come.
Let
You
them
move
come, my lord,
it.
no problem. Only one
Or
thing.
move it in
Only one thing, my lords. I'm for it.
If they
I'm
don't issue any notice
have-
under 35B
My lord,
and yet arrest you in connection with Garden Reach, the appropriate order shall be passed.
On the next day.
my lords, it will take less time if my lords will give me 2-3 minutes.
Yes.
Now, my lords and my friends will bear with me.
Yes.
One thing
I'm always behind.
I'm saying, I'm asking, my prayer today is, in view of whatever the law has been laid down by Supreme Court of India, not by us, my lords, and we are bound by it, is ad interim bail can be given even if they are not there. Only if I would have come, my lords, and this that is the first instance. They are here only if my lords feel they have been called, because today I'm the petitioner before this court, and it is if I can make out a case without any indulgence from the other side, without any clarification from the other side, then my lords can pass any interim order that feels or that is justified in law.
Vehemently opposing this.
My
That
lord,
way.
Can they, my lords?
Okay.
I can,
Okay.
Can I be allowed?
If situation so demands, even order shall be passed, but let the state come with the material.
What is seeking from the
Only
material
your
not
petition.
recalled?
Except your petition, nothing is
Yes.
before the court.
As I'm showing, my lords.
Even what statement has been made, it is not also before the
My
court.
lords, I'm showing something. I can show 3 things, my lords. I can show 3 things.
In a vacation, my lord, not in a regular court.
My lord, I can show 3 things
We are in a vacation bench. But
Sufficient.
then I can show
Oh, my
100
lord.
cases.
to exercise this discretion of granting me ad interim bail forthwith. That is number 1.
Yes.
That is number 1. My lords, please see the FIR of 15th. I have said, and my lord may read it, it does not disclose any offense whatsoever, my lord. It does not say what are the contents. It only says blasphemous. Will it, my lords, make it a cognizable offense? It does not, my lord, with due respect, my lords. 2, they obtain on the 3rd day itself, 15th it is registered, 17th they take a warrant of arrest, saying that I'm not there. They served the 35B, but I was not there. So, my lords, issue the warrant of arrest. 2 questions which will arise without any notice from anybody. 1, what did you do in that one day to arrive at such that they can't go back? And within one day, the court will grant, my lords, a warrant of arrest. 2, I am, and I'm showing it, they are part of the case. Diary, please see. I am before the police section in this area. I would not know, my lords, which FIR, which police station in West Bengal have registered a case. I will go for my security to my lord, police station. I went to cyber police station. I went to my police station where my jurisdiction is.
Father of the girl.
Yes, my lords. Girl also goes. Girl and the father both go.
Page 36.
Both going to the police station.
My lord. She signs.
Kindly see that.
Page 36.
Yes.
36, 36.
33.
36. 36. What is it? Right, got it.
Yes.
Now see 35. They have started a case.
Please
When
see.
this case was started, 15.
Based on your application complaint.
Yes, my lords. It is my application.
And
And I am saying, my lords, please see on the next page. And please see, my lords, if my lords will see the pages on 37 and 38. This was I was confronted with. Please see 37 and 38.
Yes, Mr. Banerjee, they are seeking interim bail. They are
No,
saying
I am opposing.
that they will cooperate with
No,
investigation.
I am opposing.
no.
I am opposing,
I'm
my
not-
lord.
Day before yes.
Would your lordship then hear me, this types of dramatic argument will be done?
Hmm.
Will you kindly hear me?
Okay,
Not-
move it.
So please
Day
let's see.
after tomorrow.
Let's say-
Day after tomorrow.
Dramatic
Let's see
argument.
what Supreme Court says. My lord, let's
These
see
are all
what the Supreme
dramatic
Court says.
arguments.
The laws, a
Please, let's see
student
what
of
Supreme-
law
My
of
lord, let's
yes.
whatever the video is. I don't know whether it is a made up
You
video.
don't
Video is there.
But your client
Would your
This
lordship
judgment
kindly
I am to yeah, what is the proposition?
having
You
the
tell-
knowledge.
I'll
You don't
just
know.
read 2-3 paragraphs only, my lords.
What is the proposition?
My lords, all I'm saying is all these writ petitions when were brought before the court,
আমাদের গুলো দিয়ে দাও।
my lord, they gave notice to the state on the first date itself, where state was there, they heard. In every case, in a writ petition, they said we will hear the petition but granted ad interim bail. Supreme Court, my lord. they
Where
said.
is that law?
Then, my lord,
Upon the Milord,
Then-
the facts of each of
No,
fact
no,
of
why
the
are they interrupting?
Yes, not interrupting.
You are doing drama.
my lord, I'm
What's
so
going
sorry,
on
please.
here?
I am coming here and I am trying to address and I am facing hostility
Respect to you.
outside. I am facing hostility here as a lawyer. Imagine what the girl must be having,
Oh
what she is
God,
facing.
don't do drama.
It is hostility. Otherwise,
Can I
all her
make my
offense of
submission?
3 years. Is this the way it is
Okay,
supposed?
okay. Yeah, kindly, Mr. Sen, consider a group of people of our country got hurt following the such and such made comment in social media or where you have made this comment, I don't know, got hurt. And this case and and this incident had given rise to 3 or 4 cases.
So will it change?
So admittedly, a section of the people of our country, their sentiment, you have hurt their sentiment.
My lords, just a minute, my lords.
Day after
Look,
tomorrow, kindly
no,
go.
I'll answer
we have freedom of speech and expression.
Can I?
That does not mean that you will go on
Can I-
yeah, to hurt the
Can I
sentiments
answer
of
this?
others.
Can I answer this, my lords?
Our country is a full of diversity. There are many person of many language, caste, community are all are coexist.
My lord, can
So while making such submission, we have to be cautious.
I now respond? Can I
So
respond?
day
I
after tomorrow, heaven will
Can I
not fall.
respond, my lords? Can I respond?
Yes, yes.
2 things, my lords. Number
Yes.
1,
Now you are saying, so far I have understand, you are saying they have not complied with the provisions of 1A.
there's
Now-
no ground of arrest given.
Now 35(1). Certain conditions have been enumerated there. Okay, and they have not issued any notice. However, it has been submitted on the behalf of the state that notice was issued. They found that your house is under lock and key, and they took records of this.
My lord,
And that has to be considered by the court
I am
on the
not on
material.
that, my lords. I kindly, that was submission made to give the conspectors. I am not on that. I am on 2 grounds, my lords.
Now you are insisting the court
Right,
to
that is
grant interim bail.
So yes, my lords.
To grant interim bail only on reading the writ petition.
No, my lords. 2 things. 2 things.
Even it is not what actually uttered by the
My lord, that is-
student. or lady what actually uttered.
So I am saying, grant me 2-3 minutes uninterrupted so that at least I can say what I'm saying. In between, something is answered. I am unable to give even present my case, my lords.
Yes.
I want to present the case
Yes.
as my lords
Yes.
in law, not on facts. My lord, what will happen is it will take an inquiry to go into whether they were there or not. I'm showing on the face of it that I'm there. So that is not the issue. What will they show tomorrow? Day after, what they can show? 3 things. They will try to show that these are the document police went there. Now, whether court can go into that inquiry or court cannot go into that inquiry is based on, again, those facts. 2, my lords, was I under grave threat and I was before the court is there. Please see, if I understand, my lords, their sentiments, but all these cases are about these sentiments only where the court granted bail right away. All these cases which I'm showing are all about sentiments of one section or the other.
This pair, your pair, a court is not refusing your pair. That pair will be considered on fifth.
So
On fifth, let them come with the CD.
No, that is
What
why-
material court want to show,
Not-
what want to show.
My lord.
And today you take that order that the Garden Ditch
Can I
case
say
will be.
something, my lords? If my lords don't want to hear me, after lunch also CD can come. It is not too far. It is Garden Reach.
Sir,
It's
court
just
will
1
run
hour
at
away
the
from this
dictate
court.
of the council.
It can be happened, but
Court
today,
will run at the dictate of the
day-
council.
one
I'm
day of
very sorry. There is
one
No,
no-
no,
hour
no.
study.
there is no
Liberty,
dictate of
liberty
the
of a
council. Will
student
run
is
at the
concerned.
dictate of the council.
Your lordship can always
Do
consider.
it day after tomorrow.
Kindly pass the order. Develop like you.
Hey, please,
Develop like your lordship.
Court says.
I'm develop like your lordship.
Supreme Court.
Oh.
Only two Supreme Courts I will show, man.
So here only your matter will be taken up
Yes.
during
Oh,
your
now
My custody is illegal and I'm before the court. Court is obliged, my lord, not to continue that custody.
Why illegal? You
Please see,
you are arrested in
No.
connection with a particular case.
that is not important, my lord. Suppose I have done.
That is
something-
not important.
No, yes, my lord. Please see what is the court says. Court says it is not about the case. It is about you have to give reasons for arrest. My lord's power to arrest is one thing in respect to connection. Necessity is quite another. Otherwise, Arnesh Kumar is redundant, my lord. Arnesh Kumar and the present BNSS, Arnesh Kumar earlier judgment of the Supreme Court say, if the punishment is 3 years or more but less than 7 years, you cannot go and arrest a person unless, and there are,
Let us come back at night 8 o'clock.
please read 35.
Huh?
Let us come back at night 8 o'clock. Let him argue up to midnight 2 o'clock.
And
My lord,
Let us
misinterpretation of
come back at night at 2
Interpretation
8
of law.
o'clock. We have also other jobs to do.
interpretation of law.
It does not behold.
Yes.
for-
No, no.
On that date,
Yes, your lordship
please-
kindly pass the order.
he
No, we
did the talk.
another
he
case
did
is-
the talk.
Let us
We have another case as well.
my lord,
Right.
read one passage of Supreme Court.
That is-
Not one
I
passage.
don't know what is it? What's it?
My lord,
Sorts of
What is going on? I
advocacy?
don't understand.
My
But
insist that one.
I
my
don't
lord,
understand what sorts of advocacy.
My lord, just one paragraph of Supreme Court.
What
If my lord
sorts-
Supreme Court
What
says that
sorts
my
of
lord can allow
advocacy?
2 days,
Enough,
my lord may allow.
enough is
But let
enough.
us see what
Your
Supreme
lordship
Court
kindly pass the order.
says. Let us see what
Enough
Supreme
is
Court
enough.
says.
Kindly pass the order.
My lord,
Supreme Court has said grant
and
bail
for
in
instance,
every case.
my lord, yes, some Supreme Court says if grounds of arrest, please
So-
see,
so-
Bihan Kumar, please see.
Bihan Kumar.
Please see, my lord. My lord, that is a judgment at
Then we are all the matters are hearing by the coordinate bench. Bihan Kumar, round of arrest, memo of arrest. My lord, my learned senior is arguing on that point.
which point? Page.
Mr. Bandyopadhyay. Then we are let the matter be tagged with that.
My lord, is it item 16?
All matters.
Let the matter be tagged with that. My learned senior friend is showing the Bihan Kumar. The Bihan Kumar will already
Kumar is a
already is
disclosed
under
of case.
consideration.
Please see what Supreme Court says. It is at
No, no,
page
no.
16.
That is under consideration.
No,
Now, what
Yes.
Beyond Kumar has said.
my lord, Bihan Kumar says, if the ground of arrest does not disclose exactly what is offense against me, why I am arrested.
You are unnecessary.
No, my lord,
Okay, I am saying. I am
elaborate.
saying
It has to
35,
elaborate.
35A or 41A1
That is one thing, my
Says-
lord.
One says one did not prevent the police authority to arrest.
That is not what
But
Vihan Kumar says.
You are not allowed to make submission.
Kindly.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Don't say that book was published only for you.
I'm sorry, my lords. I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
So therefore, there were certain conditions. And the police authority was required to issue a reason, give a reason. Okay, so it is not that as and when the maximum punishment is less than 7 years, their police authorities have no power to arrest. But police authority is to show whether any of the condition enumerated under subsection 1 or here 35A has been fulfilled or not, and he is to record a reason. Read the provision.
Yes, my lords. So,
Read the provision 41A. So if any of the conditions are fulfilled, even where punishment is less than 7 years,
may I,
police authority can arrest.
may I please, my lord?
Read again. You are read for provision later on judgment.
I will read, my lords.
Yes.
Please read section 35, subclause 3, my lord. I can read, my lord. So
Yes.
you can give the copy.
Court is not required to any
If-
book. You go, you read.
Police officer
Yes.
shall, in all cases where the arrest of the person is not required under subsection 1, issue a notice directing the person against whom a reasonable complaint has been made or credible information has been received or a reasonable suspicion exists that he has committed a cognizable offense to appear before him or at such other place as may be specified in the notice. Where such person at any time fails to comply with the terms of the notice or is unwilling to identify himself, the police officer may, subject to such orders as may have been passed by a competent court in this behalf, arrest him for the offense mentioned in the notice. Now, my lord, this is precisely what I'm saying, and my lords got offended. The court is not on this, my lords. I am saying something else. I am saying, my lords, that there is a necessity, my lords, to give my lords, in terms of section
Have you
47.
read the
Section-
35B?
No, section 36.
If the following conditions are satisfied, namely,
Yes, my lords.
then the police officer shall record
Yes, my lord.
while making such arrest, and that means this condition
But
is
none
to
of them is there.
satisfy-
No, my lords.
Yes.
To prevent.
Now court will want to see whether any now you
None of them is there, my lords.
whether reason was recorded or
Yes.
not or anything.
It is
Now
not-
you are actually inviting the court to go into the city.
My lord, it is not about this. Please see 47.
What
My lord,
court
this is-
want to see?
47, my lords. Please read 47.
Yes, 47.
And that is what I am saying, my lord.
Yes.
Person arrested
Yes.
to be informed of the grounds of arrest and the right to bail. Every person, police officer or other person arresting any person without warrant shall forthwith communicate to him full particulars of the offense for which he is
My lord,
arrested or other
lord,
offense.
will
for
lord,
such
this
arrest.
It
Can you
was
hear me for,
47 was 50 of earlier.
my lord, can you hear me
50
for
of
1 minute?
earlier. It
My lord-
is I am Mr.
Just
Rajan.
1 minute.
Yes.
Just 1 minute. I am telling you, lordship, the latest law. My lord, the Supreme Court has said in a very recent judgment, judgment was delivered by Justice Pagriwal, when an warrant of arrest has been issued, the question of giving any reasons for arrest is not required. I will show it on 5th.
My lord, that
No, I am not giving
Yes,
you
I will
back.
show it on 5th. Only he
I
knows
am
the
not
law.
giving you
We
back.
don't
I am
know the law.
just want
That
to
should
show
not be the
grounds of
impression.
arrest.
We'll
Yes.
give it. My lord, the ground of arrest is there. Everything is there. Apart from that, my lord,
does this disclose full
Oh.
particulars? And is this in terms of page 209 of
Yes.
that?
my
My
lord,
lord,
what is types of
compilation.
argu-
Please see,
My lord, I
just one
don't, my
section,
lord, I
one
don't
paragraph.
know what sorts
I
of
don't need any other paragraph.
advocacy it is.
Compilation
Must
was
be he is
given, no?
very powerful person.
Your
Compilation.
lordship kindly pass,
Must
Lord,
be-
pass the
Just
final
one
order,
paragraph,
final
one
order
paragraph.
after considering all.
And one paragraph and that's all.
These are final. Give me
Finally,
the My lord, give me chance to file affidavit.
Read that one
Hmm.
paragraph.
My
You
lord,
are not
kindly
taking
give me
one
the chance to
paragraph, my
file affidavit.
One paragraph. And I
How
am
many
so sorry.
allegations have
I'm
been made now?
requesting.
My lord,
Just
no,
Which
please
paragraph? Which
kindly give me
paragraph?
the,
Page 209,
kindly give me the
paragraph-
chance of
Okay, so
affidavit.
other matter is released. Other matter are released from this list.
Paragraph.
Oh,
I'm only reading one paragraph, my lord. It will not.
What?
touch-
you go on making submission.
No,
So
my-
other matter are released, I will be relieved.
only
Ah,
one
I have
paragraph.
to know. Ah?
209, page 209, one paragraph, my lord, and that too I'll not
Where
read the
from
whole.
he has come? I don't know.
Please read subclause B, E and F.
Yes, yes, yes.
B. These are the conclusions of Supreme Court, my lord. The information of the ground of arrest must be provided to the arrest person in such manner that sufficient knowledge of the basic facts constituting the grounds is imparted and communicated to the arrested person effectively in the language which is understood. The mode and method of the communication must be such object as the constitutional safeguard is achieved. E. When E and F, my lord. When an arrested person is produced before judicial magistrate remand, it is a duty of the magistrate to ascertain whether the compliance of section 22(1) and other mandatory safeguards have been made. Now, last, when a violation of Article 22(1) is established, it is the duty of the court to forthwith order the release of the accused. That will be ground to grant bail even if statutory restrictions on the grant of bail exist. But this is even if a PMLA is there.
That's
These statutory restrictions do not affect the powers of the court to grant bail when the violation of Articles 21 and 22 of the Constitution is established. I am saying, my lords, please read that ground of arrest. It only says warrant of arrest
that,
was issued.
that's why my lord
Because
wants to
on
see the
17
material
months,
and fix the
consider that.
matter
May I-
after
may I-
tomorrow.
And my lord,
My lord,
will
may I
consider
make one
that.
submission, my lord?
Yes,
May I-
yes,
my
yes.
my lord, kindly see, my
My
lord.
liberty, my lord, will be important.
Yes,
That is
yes,
the
yes.
essence.
Go on.
My lord, my lord, only the petitioners will make the submission.
No, no,
What
no.
is the petitioner council will only make the, he has come from the foreign country only, he will make the submission, my lord.
Yes, yes, no, no. No. Yeah.
In exact similar circumstances,
What is
same
this?
as a student.
Oh, okay.
In a student, bails have been granted, my lords.
Yes, Article 22. You say which provision of Article 22 have been violated?
22(1), my lords.
22 of the Constitution.
Yes, sir.
So, which has been violated? Ground of arrest is
I'll
to
read,
be,
my-
and
No
they have,
person.
they have stated ground of arrest.
That is what the Supreme Court says, my lord. This is not informing. Information at the grounds of arrest would show.
So whether it
Exactly.
was ground of arrest or
My lord,
properly informed
In this
or
case,
not, that is
in
another.
this case, it was even more than this. The court said,
Unnecessary waste of time.
I don't want to. That is why I don't want
Okay,
to.
okay. Or which provision of
Article
Article
1, my lords. No person who is arrested shall be detained in custody without being informed.
Hmm.
As soon as may be of the grounds of such arrest,
I have
none shall be
taken
denied
it.
the right.
I
of
have
such-
taken collected
My lord,
from him.
this is not the grounds of arrest.
That is to be considered.
That is
No,
to be
that is
considered
what
by the
exactly
court
Supreme Court
on
says.
materials.
My lord, Supreme Court in this
Okay, okay.
case.
But in that case, your lordship direct us to file an affidavit. We will file an affidavit, let this matter be heard after decision.
The affidavit.
My lord,
Let us-
can I only now
Let
request
us
that-
file an affidavit, my lord. Such a serious argument has been made. My lord,
Let
he has
them
made
come
such
to
a
CD.
serious
Yes.
argument.
Allow the
My lord,
court.
my lord,
Now,
kindly see,
enough,
just 1 minute.
enough time has been vacation remains.
My lord,
Ah,
Justice
kindly
of
1 minute.
judgment.
My lord, 1 second. My
Yes,
lord, he has, kindly see, he has made very serious argument. Serious allegations have been made by him. Kindly give me a chance to file an affidavit. Let the affidavit should be filed. We will disclose everything. Let the matter be heard after filing of the affidavit. Because we very
My lord,
serious
no,
question,
this is
serious
not-
facts.
Oh.
My lord, he has said about serious
This is a question.
facts. Such a serious fact.
My lord, this is a question of
serious
interim
law
bail. Your lordship
have
can
been
keep
raised.
this matter
We
after
should
blood.
get an opportunity to file an affidavit, my lord. We should get an opportunity to file an affidavit. Such a serious questions of law, such a serious facts have been submitted before a lordship's court. Serious allegations have been made against us only because of his
Eh,
just to file
eh,
affidavit.
Okay, okay. A student of law, is it about
19 years.